Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have both spreadsheets open. Now start linking immediately. First, confirm you can view the source file. If not, share it. Next, pick the exact range you need and consider a named range for clarity. In the destination sheet, type equals import range. Paste source URL here, sheet 1, A1, C100, then press enter. When prompted, click Allow Access to authorize the link. This first step creates a live connection, so changes in the source update automatically once permission is granted. Once you allow access, refine how the imported data appears. For single lookups, wrap import range with VLOOKUP like equals VLOOKUP, B2 import range, URL sheet 1, AC3 false. For flexible matching, use index/match, index import range, match. If you need multiple rows, combine with filter or array formula to expand results automatically. Also, use named ranges in the source. This makes formulas easier to read and reduces errors when finalize by deciding whether formulas should be copied or autofilled. Use $1 style absolute references when copying, or wrap with array formula to populate a column dynamically. Protect cells or ranges in the destination to prevent accidental edits, and confirm both files' sharing settings are consistent. If you see #ref or #n/a, recheck that you granted access, that the source URL matches, and that the referenced sheet and range exist. One key tip: reauthorize import range after renaming files or moving them between drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.